Well, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody that has voted for me as a speaker in the Cardano Summit. We've crashed it. We're number one. And I will be on stage, which is great because if all goes well, and there are still some moving parts, but if all goes well, I will have a major announcement, probably alongside Charles Hoskinson, at the event. So 2 dates to keep in mind. One is November 18th, and the other one, which is probably the more crucial one, is November 21st. And again, if all goes well, a major announcement. You're thinking what I'm thinking, but let's make sure that everything is ready, and then we'll do it. The event will be broadcast live, so you can tune in and see it in real time if you like. So without further ado, some community questions. The first question is about the enterprise that we are working with to develop a token on top of the 2.0 stack. So people are still wondering, hey, who is this enterprise? And as I've mentioned, it's going to be a while until we disclose the name. But let me disclose what I can at this point. First of all, we are already building. We've started development. We're working with a team at the enterprise side, and we are working on a daily basis to produce a product. What's included? First of all, it includes a private payment network, which means that we are launching a payment token on top of TrustChain 2.0 and Multidag 2.0. And this payment token will be used by the enterprise and by his millions and millions and millions of users as a closed-loop ecosystem to perform payments. So that's one thing. The second thing is a custodian wallet, which is also part of the solution. And we're also talking about a loyalty token, which will probably be launched a bit later. We're starting off with the payment token. Another interesting aspect of the solution is that we're utilizing Bridge 2.0 to allow the current user base of this enterprise to actually pay with various tokens on top of various chains. Bridge 2.0 will work as a router and will swap to the payment token that we are creating. So very excited. For the enterprise, it means that they can slash the costs of payment processing, reduce the settlement time, and make everything faster, obviously. It also increases loyalty because these users will have a Coti-created custodian wallet that they will keep. Again, everybody's super excited about this, and this is only the beginning. People have asked for more details about Coti. Coti is a governance token. Again, what it does is that it allows you to vote, obviously, but it also increases your APY. And that comes on the expense of those who don't have Coti. Note that. But it also gives you the right to participate in liquidations, which is new value that is created. How distribution will work? Well, first of all, you don't need to buy Coti. We will give you Coti. How? As mentioned, you can lock Coti for substantial periods of time in the treasury and get Coti, but that's not the only thing. If you take part in the Coti community, and we'll give more details about this later, and you contribute, then you will receive Coti. Which leads me to the next question. Should testnet operators be given some Coti because they contribute to the ecosystem? Well, testnet operators do contribute to the Coti ecosystem. And as I've just said, those who contribute will be tributed with Coti. So yes, testnet operators, and obviously node operators, will receive Coti as part of our way to saying thank you, and because they build the ecosystem. It's not the only ones, but these are important people, and they will receive Coti. So various questions about Bridge 2.0 and when Bridge 2.0. Due to the sensitivity of the product, and obviously this is like a major ecosystem part, we've decided to allow another week of testing to the dev teams. So we plan on launching Bridge 2.0 next week. It's nearly there, but we rather play it safe when it comes to bridging all sorts of assets. So we'll do that and launch it probably next week. Last but not least is Binance Pay. we've been working pretty closely with Binance for the last 3.5 years. It seems like forever now. And we'd like to work with Binance, using all sorts of their products, whether it's the custody services and other services. Binance Pay is the next thing, and the collaboration with Binance Pay means that Coti, among not a lot of tokens out there, is now supported through Binance Pay, and it enables borderless crypto payments using Coti, and allows the millions of Binance Pay users to send, receive, and make payments in Coti. So, adoption.